Getting you inputs from the MMR region, the Mumbai metropolitan region, which has become a major area of challenge for the Maharashtra government in its effort to curb the spread of COVID-19. The Thane Municipal Corporation has suspended the license of a hospital allegedly for charging inflated bills. The license of Horizon Hospital has been suspended for 1 month. An audit conducted by the civic body reveals that the hospital had overcharged up to 6 lakh of rupees in as many as 56 bills. The TMC has cancelled the hospital's status as a COVID hospital. The TMC, in this case being Thane Municipal Corporation, and the TMC has assigned 2 officials to monitor the remaining patients admitted. The civic body is also investigating 15 more such hospitals for overcharging patients. Let's listen in to one of the doctors in this story.
ये हमें धक्कादायक बातमी आज मिली है कि हमारा लाइसेंस और रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल किया गया है। इसका कारण जो बता रहे हमें वो गलत है। ओवर बिलिंग नहीं हुआ है। हमने गवर्नमेंट जीआर के हिसाब से ये बिलिंग बनाया है। जो ट्रीटमेंट पेशेंट को दिया है वो हाई क्वालिटी का ट्रीटमेंट है। उसके वजह से अनेक पेशेंट ठीक हुए हैं। कोविड प्रॉब्लम के लिए जो फीस है वो हमने अलग से नहीं लगाए और पीपीई के चार्जेस जो है वो गवर्नमेंट के जो रिकमेंडेशंस है उसके हिसाब से ही लगाए हुए। तो मेरे ख्याल से ओवर बिलिंग हमारे हिसाब से नहीं हुआ है।
My colleague Neha Kulkarni joining me live. Neha, on one hand, it's heartening to see that the corporation is actively monitoring those instances where there is overcharging. Tell us, what were the reasons that the license of Horizon Hospital had to be cancelled by the corporation?
In this specific case, what has happened is that 3 weeks ago, some audit teams were made by the Thane Municipal Corporation to check the bills of these respective hospitals which are under the check of TMC. There are 15 hospitals in Thane which are under COVID-19, which are dedicated for COVID-19, and all of these hospitals' bills were under check by the TMC. Now, in this specific hospital, Frida, as far as Horizon is concerned, we understand it's one of the first to have been converted as a COVID-19 hospital in Thane. And here what happened is that there were about the bills that were checked, the 56 bills that were checked. It was found that overcharging up to the tune of rupees 6 lakhs was done from patients. And when a certain kind of response was asked from the hospital authorities, the deadline that was given to them was 24th of July, which is yesterday. And as they failed to respond or give a satisfactory reply to the Thane Municipal Corporation regarding this, so we understand that such a step was taken. In fact, Afrida, as far as overcharging is concerned, we must tell our viewers that in Mumbai or Mumbai metropolitan region, lot of complaints have come in wherein the private hospitals have put in PPE kit fees, other fees and all the other types of fees in which they have practically looted the patients. But this is one of the first steps ever taken by the government body here of really suspending the license, that also for a month, which means for at least a month they would not be able to take any patients of COVID-19. Currently there are about 77 patients which are admitted at the hospital, and they will be given treatment under the guide of TMC officials.
Yes, and this is what we have been fighting for as well. Neha, in many of your reports, you've always highlighted this kind of overcharging and exploiting the situation, and it's good to see that some action has come in after the consistent reportage on Mirror Now on the issue of overcharging by private entities. This should serve as a deterrent for sure. Let's listen in to Chief Medical Officer of the Thane Municipal Corporation, Dr. Raju Murudkar.
हमने ऑडिटर वहाँ नियुक्त किया था, डेप्यूटी कलेक्टर और दूसरे मेन चीफ ऑडिटर। तो उन्होंने देखा कि हमने 57 पेशेंट का चेकिंग किया बिल का, तो उसमें 56 पेशेंट में अनियमितता आई। जितना राज्य शासन ने दिया है रेट, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा पेशेंट से पैसा वसूला गया था। तो ये कंप्लेंट के बारे में हमने इंक्वायरी करने के बाद उनको नोटिस भी दिया। नोटिस देने के बाद उनका कोई जवाब नहीं आया, तो उसके बाद हमने कार्रवाई की और उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन 1 महीने के लिए कैंसिल किया है और जो कोविड का दर्जा है वो पूरी तरह से निकाल दिया है। अभी इसके आगे वो कोविड का एक भी पेशेंट एडमिट नहीं करेंगे।